How to restore Binance Web3 wallet. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily restore your Binance Web3 wallet on your mobile phone. For this, we are going to be using the backups to restore our wallet. So make sure that you have previously backed up your wallet. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Binance application, and from here you are going to head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner. Once you get to wallet, you can tap on the Web3 at the top to get to your Web3 wallet. And once you get to your Web3 wallet, the first thing that you need to do here is just go ahead and tap on this option right here. After 2 to 3 seconds, the screen will pop up where you have an option to restore wallet. Just tap on it, and from here you will have to enter your password. And once you enter your password, you will have this option to restore it from your Google Drive. Go ahead and tap on Restore from Google Drive and choose the account that is linked with your Web3 wallet. Once you choose your account, your restoring should begin like this. And once you restore your wallet, you will be asked to connect your authenticator app and verify your email. And once you do that, you can normally use your wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.